Hi everyone, it's Vismaya Rubin, founder of Living in Gratitude Today, teacher, speaker, best-selling author. But you know my favorite role is that of a gratitude gangster. What? So today's daily gratitude action step is to make a smoothie with all the fruits and vegetables that you have in your refrigerator. If you're anything like me, you sometimes overbuy and then don't use them all. And I really could use your help on this one. So if you have a fantastic green smoothie recipe, please post it in the comments below. My goal is to incorporate more smoothies into my diet. I've been playing around with some of them, and to be quite honest, they have not been as delicious as I would have liked, but I drink them anyways because I know that I'm getting my servings of vegetables in. So please share with me your favorite recipes, what you like to do, some of your tricks so that I can start to do that as well. If you love these daily gratitude action steps, please download the free gratitude calendar I put out each month. Go to livingingratitudetoday.com or text the word grateful to 64600. I will see you tomorrow, same time, same place.